With the real-time visibility of all blood products provided by PJM RFID, it is possible to monitor stock levels of every product and set predetermined minimum stock levels in the user's application. The user's application can then calculate minimum order requirements and trigger automatic orders, either daily or as required. PJM RFID enables a seamless blood product ordering system between hospitals, blood banks and blood centers, saving many hours manually counting blood product stock. During order preparation, order accuracy is ensured using a PJM RFID reader. First expired, first out can be enforced, and any incorrect, expired or recalled items can be identified for immediate action. Using RFID to verify all blood products in dispatch and receive processes will improve productivity with faster turnaround times. Blood bags are kept at their optimal temperature by removing the need for any manual checks or barcode scans. This technology ensures quality and safety across all blood processes.